now that you launch your campaign, there are a few ways that you can monitor performance within your Ads Manager account. To start, I'm going to navigate to the Analytics page in the top left-hand corner. And this page is your central hub that'll aggregate all campaign, all creative set data into one page. To start, at the top right-hand corner, we have the time range. So we have some pre-populated fields. Let's populate the data for this month, which will include today. And you can see some light data coming in already today on October 9. Now, if we click on the Customize Filters drop-down menu, you'll be presented with some columns such as campaign, bidding strategy, tracking platform, country, that you can populate within the table. And to do so, you'll need to click on the checkbox for each. So let's say in this example, we want to populate campaign as a column, as well as country, in case you're running a campaign targeting multiple countries. I'm going to click on Run. And voila, this campaign is running in the US and in Canada. Furthermore, what you can also do is you can further filter your data output within the table. So for example, let's say we only wanted to look at performance within the United States. I'm going to click into this filter by box in country and click on United States. And let's say the inverse, we wanted to exclude every country but the US. You can also click on the Is Not button. But for now, let's click on Run, and you'll see that now we filtered out all data outside of the US. From here, you can also click on this columns button here in the table, and it'll present you a menu of other metrics that you can add within your table. If you click on this unselected columns, there's a few drop-down menus. You click on Basic, there's a few click metrics, campaign goals, key events, checkouts, and furthermore. So let's say here we wanted to include click data, CTR, and we wanted to include the ROAS goal that's currently set in our campaign. Additionally, let's say from this table right now, some of these metrics are not that relevant for our analysis. So I'm going to remove some, such as view product, add to cart, initiate checkout. If you wanted to remove a whole group, just like we just did right now, you can also click on remove group completely, and then we'll click apply. And great, from here, we have our new updated table. Now, one important note, there is cohorted and there is real time. So there's a pop-up of just the definitions of this that you can read a little bit more. Now, lastly, what I would suggest is you can also save a report if you have a desired view for your table output. So let's say this is going to be the table that I'll really be defaulting on moving forward for all my campaigns. I can click on Save Report. We'll name this to US only campaign. You can also optionally set this as your default report so that every time you go into your analytics page, you'll be presented with this exact formatting. So let's say I wanted to do that. I'm going to click Save. And let's say we go to campaigns and we go right back to our analytics page. We'll be presented with that same exact view that we just built out. Now, lastly, outside of our analytics page, you can also monitor similar metrics within the campaigns page, including the budget, for example. And furthermore, if you click within each campaign, you can also see data on a creative set level as well.